Hello to all of my new friends on here, as well as those who've stuck around. Let's make vegan carrot cake cupcakes today, topped with vegan cream cheese frosting. This is a short intro for an easy recipe. Let's get baking. First, grab a bowl and begin to grate about 2 carrots into it. You can also use a food processor if you have one. Next, add in some brown sugar and regular cane sugar as well. Mix the sugars into the carrots. Let's spice things up with salt, nutmeg, ginger powder, cardamom, and cinnamon. Mix again. Now, pour in some neutral vegetable oil and your choice of non-dairy milk. Toss in some vanilla extract too. And yes, mix again. A lot of mixing here. For your dry ingredients, you'll add plain flour, baking soda, and baking powder. That's all of the cake ingredients, so let's mix it one more time until you can't see any bits of flour. Line a regular muffin tin with some baking cups. Check out my video that shows you how to bake cupcakes without liners, linked in the cards above. Next, get an ice cream scoop and scoop out your batter into the liners. Fill them about 3/4 of the way full. It took me about 1.5 scoops. Finally, pop your cupcakes into the preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius and bake them for about 22 minutes. While these guys cool, let's make the vegan cream cheese frosting. Take out some softened vegan butter and vegan cream cheese and cream together until smooth. Scrape the bowl and add in a little bit of vanilla extract. Mix it in. Add the powdered sugar in 2 parts since it can get messy. I usually mix it by hand first before using the mixer. If you used unsalted butter, you can add in a little pinch of salt here. Whip your frosting until it's completely smooth. The consistency should be like a buttercream. When your cupcakes are completely cool, pipe on your cream cheese frosting and finish your cupcakes however you'd like. I topped mine with little bunny butter cookies that look like Miffy. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.